everybody, it's Owen. Welcome back to Prairie Creek Farm. I mean the Fabulous 95.
Owen, what are you doing here?
I would like Garrett, seeing what it's like to be in your bigger crowd. 105 subs. That's a big accomplishment in only a few months from August. I've been on for a while now.
Up. Say no more. Go back to your own channel and wait your turn.
Tell them to subscribe. A link will be in the description below.
Say that louder.
Subscribe to my channel. New videos coming out. Link it will be in the description below. Flying, farming. You think of it, I got it.
Yeah, I had to do that. So welcome back to the Fabulous 95. My name's Garrett, and today we will be doing a 3 unboxing video. First will be Thomasville racing legend Lightning McQueen. Then from the World Grand Prix 2018 long, Hong Cho, a pity for one of the racers. And then the last one, which I've already done, but my cousin wanted to do again, was Rusty's Cruz Ramirez. So let's get right into this. First, let's start with my new mascot, which I hope you all enjoy, Metallic Fabulous Lightning McQueen. So, out of the casing, you see the Thomasville sign that the Fabulous Hudson Hornet was on, but it shows McQueen instead. On the top right corner, you see Thomasville Racing Legends, Junior Moon and Cruz Ramirez. On the back, you see a picture of die-cast cars. You see a scene from the movie in Cars. Information that nobody needs. So, let's get right into this video. Let's get right into this opening. So, tell me in the comments how your Christmas was. I would love to hear. And here he is, ladies and gentlemen, the new mascot of the Fabulous 95. Here it is. Ooh, he feels greasy.
Who needs that?
Yeah, he does. Get out of here, old mascot. We got the new guy in town, Metallic Lightning McQueen. So, he's got the same thing as the original Fabulous Lightning McQueen. Metallic rims, metallic paint job, but everything feels greasier for some reason. Back, same as normal. Great stuff. It says for Doc Hudson and Rusty's 95. Other side, same thing, but no gas cap. And what is that on your tire? And he's extremely greasy for some reason. We got the smile. His 2 signature stickers. The Hudson Hornet style top, Lightning McQueen, and Rusty's. So now that that's done, let's go into the second review of Hong Cho, a Spanish pity. And no, my videos are not in Spanish. So let's start with the casing. You see Hong Cho with some information, small parts, small stack of tires, small tool thing. You see his picture. On the back, you see a picture of Lightning McQueen and Francesco from the movie. You see Francesco, Shu Todoroki, Nigel Gearsley, and Lewis. I forgot his last name. World Grand Prix will determine who the fastest car on the road is. Not reading in Spanish, because I'm not a Spanish-speaking channel. We have more information that nobody needs. So let's get right into this, shall we? This is put the knife away, put the knife away, put the knife away. He makes this like Garrett proof. There he is. Here he comes, ladies and gentlemen. Hong Cho, and he will be joining in the back with my other pitties. I got Fiber Fuel for Christmas as well. So let's put him in the back next to Mrs. Fiber Fuel Pity. Yeah, you heard me right. That's a girl. And these are small tires. Boom. But first, let's get into this. His paint job, it says World Grand Prix on it. And it has like a Spanish flag. He's got a headset. He has a hat. And he has a stack of tires. He looks happy. Other side is basically the same thing, but he has big tires in the front, small tire in the rear. Black and yellow. Black and yellow, black and yellow. Now let's look at his tool. It's basically the side of his car, of him. So now let's get into our last review of today, and it is Rusty's Cruz Ramirez. So packaging, Florida 500 on the side. You see a picture of her in the Ramon outfit that he whipped up, and I believe was the time of a pit stop, which is actually extremely good. On the back, it's the opening race of the Piston Cup season. Who will take home the championship? And ironically, I have all 4 of the cars in the back. So, and then more information that nobody needs. Be careful.
I'm gonna do it.
Okay. Oh, you might want to do it on camera, though.
Oh, yeah.
So here he goes. He's opening it carefully.
Because, you know, we're careful around here, guys.
Oh, yeah. Also, ask a parent permission before you use a knife.
Don't do this at home.
Yeah, we are professionals.
Since when?
Shut up, 360 Beyblade. Oh, yeah, now you get a shout out as well. Here it is. Rusty's Cruz Ramirez. Next to my mascot. So, Rusty's Cruz Ramirez. I hate you. Rusty's Cruz Ramirez. Light your tires on the side, and it says Rusty's and Cruz Ramirez. And Cruz. And you see her new vents or exhaust pipes. On the back, you see the finishing part of her paint job in 95. Other side's basically the same thing, but the Rusty's is cut off, and so is the 95, and there's no long streak. Front, she's smiling because she's racing. Also, she has roof flaps now and a back wing. Thank you all for watching this video.
Please like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned to the next video.
Now, as you heard, the three main people in this video today were Prairie Creek Farms. Was that your name?
Yep.
Okay.
Link in description.
360 Beyblade. Thanks for sneezing in. Link in the description.
No problem.
And your boy Garrett, otherwise known as the Fabulous 95. So I'm gonna have a face reveal on Instagram. So if you want to look at that, cool. If you don't, not too bad. So thanks for watching, and I'm probably going to have Fiber Fuel as my next video, which will be roughly. Most likely tomorrow. So, thanks for watching, and Fabulous 95 signing out.
Peace.